Hey guys, welcome to Biz Builders, your go-to source for everything business formation and entrepreneurship. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to start an LLC in New Jersey. Now I know what you're thinking. You've been putting off starting that LLC because it feels complicated, expensive, or maybe you're just not sure where to even begin. Trust me, I've been there. I used to think LLC formation was a scary legal maze that only lawyers can navigate. But what if I told you that you could have your New Jersey LLC up and running in less time than it takes to binge watch a few episodes on Netflix? Then what if I also told you that New Jersey is actually one of the most strategic and business-friendly states to form your LLC in? Look, I get it. The whole process seems overwhelming when you're staring at a government website that looks like it was designed in 1995. That's exactly why we created this step-by-step guide. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your New Jersey LLC, why New Jersey is such a smart choice for entrepreneurs, and I'll show you a way to get the whole thing done without any headaches. Now, before we get into the video, I just want to mention that I am focusing on New Jersey in this video, but it does work for any state in the US as the steps will be very similar, so you can still follow along. And if you want to skip to any specific part of this video, I've put timestamps down below so you can jump to whatever section you need. Oh, and real quick before we dive in, if this video is helping you out so far, hit that like button to help other entrepreneurs find this info. Hit subscribe if you want more business tips that actually work, and drop a comment below letting me know what state you're thinking of forming an LLC in. I love hearing from you guys and I respond to every single comment. Another thing before we jump in, if you want someone to handle all the boring paperwork for you, definitely check out Tailor Brands through our exclusive discount link below. They'll set up your New Jersey LLC for just the state fees, you'll get special savings when you use our link, and they'll make sure there are no mistakes in the process. It's honestly a pretty sweet deal. But more on that later. So let's talk about why you're probably here in the first place. You want to protect yourself, right? Maybe you're freelancing and worried about getting sued, or you're starting an online business and want to keep your personal stuff separate from your business stuff. Or maybe you just want to look more professional when you're pitching clients. Here's the thing about LLCs. They're basically like a protective bubble around your personal assets. So if something goes wrong with your business, your house, your car, your personal bank account, all that stuff stays safe. Pretty cool, right? Now, let me tell you why New Jersey is such a fantastic choice for LLC formation. New Jersey has really positioned itself as one of the most strategically located states for business, and there are some great reasons why entrepreneurs love it here. First off, New Jersey is reasonably priced when it comes to LLC formation. You're paying $125 to file your certificate of formation, which is competitive compared to many other states. And there's no publication requirement like you'll find in New York, so you're not going to get hit with those expensive surprise costs. Location-wise, New Jersey is absolutely incredible for business. You're right between New York City and Philadelphia, which means you have access to two of the biggest markets in the country. Plus, you've got excellent transportation infrastructure, ports for shipping, and you're positioned perfectly for East Coast business. The business ecosystem in New Jersey is really diverse and strong. You've got everything from pharmaceutical companies to tech startups to financial services. The state has worked hard to create a supportive environment for businesses, especially small businesses and entrepreneurs. Tax-wise, while New Jersey does have state taxes, LLCs get pass-through taxation, which means you're not getting double taxed like corporations. But when you factor in the access to major markets and business opportunities, it often makes financial sense. New Jersey does require an annual report each year for $75, but that's still pretty reasonable compared to a lot of other states, especially when you consider what you're getting in return. Now, let me break down what's involved in the New Jersey LLC formation process. There are several important steps you'll need to complete, and getting each one right is crucial for protecting your business because making even just a single mistake could lead to delays or a rejection of your application entirely. So step one is picking a name for your LLC. Your name just needs to be unique in New Jersey and include LLC, Limited Liability Company, or an approved abbreviation. You can check if your name is available on the New Jersey Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services website. Pro tip, have a couple backup names ready because in competitive markets like New Jersey, good names go fast. Step two is getting a registered agent. This is someone with a New Jersey address who can receive legal mail for your LLC. If you live in New Jersey, you can be your own registered agent. But if you don't live there or want to keep your personal address private, you'll need to hire someone. Step 3 is filing your certificate of formation with the New Jersey Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services. You fill out the form, pay the $125 filing fee, and you're officially in business. New Jersey processes these pretty efficiently too. Step 4 is getting your EIN from the IRS. Think of this like a social security number for your business. It's free, it takes about 5 minutes online, and you'll need it for taxes and opening a business bank account. Step 5 is creating an operating agreement. This is basically the rules for how your LLC operates. Even if you're the only member, having this documented is crucial for maintaining your legal protection. And step 6 is understanding ongoing requirements. New Jersey requires an annual report each year for $75 to keep your LLC in good standing. Now, let me walk you through exactly how to use Tailor Brands to get your New Jersey LLC set up. I'm going to break this down into simple steps that anyone can follow. Okay, so the first step is simple. Just click our exclusive discount link in the description below or the pinned comment. This will take you directly to Tailor Brands' website and automatically apply your savings. Next, once you're on the Tailor Brands website, you'll want to select New Jersey from the drop-down menu or whatever state you'd like to set your LLC up in. Then you'll click Get Started to begin the formation process. Now you'll enter your desired business name. Their system will instantly check if it's available in New Jersey, and if it's taken, they'll show you similar alternatives so you're not stuck. Next up, answer a few quick questions about your business. They'll ask what type of business you're starting and whether you plan to have employees. This helps them customize everything for you, so it's worth filling out. Then choose if you want them to be a registered agent. I recommend saying yes for $199 per year. This keeps your personal address private and ensures you never miss legal documents. After that, decide if you want them to get your EIN. For $99, they'll handle this with the IRS so you don't have to deal with government websites. Next, choose your package. I recommend the Elite package because you get logo creation, website builder, business cards, and tons of other tools that would cost way more separately. Then create your account by entering your name, email, and phone number. Now enter your business information like your address and your business purpose. Don't worry, they guide you through exactly what to put, so it's pretty straightforward. Finally, review everything and submit payment. They accept all major credit cards and the checkout is secure. That's it. Once you submit, Tailor Brands handles all the filing with New Jersey, gets your EIN from the IRS, creates your operating agreement, and sets up your registered agent service. You can start using their logo maker and website builder right away while they process your LLC formation. So New Jersey LLCs are perfect for so many different types of businesses. If you're targeting the New York or Philadelphia markets but want to avoid the higher cost and complexity of forming in those states, New Jersey is perfect. You get access to those huge markets while keeping your formation costs reasonable. If you're in e-commerce or online retail, New Jersey's location is incredible for shipping and logistics. You can reach a huge portion of the US population quickly and cost effectively. For consulting or professional services, New Jersey clients often work with major corporations and financial institutions, so having a proper business structure is really important for credibility. And for tech companies or startups, New Jersey has been investing heavily in creating a supportive ecosystem, especially in areas like fintech and biotech. Now, if you want to handle everything yourself, you can totally do that. The New Jersey Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services website has improved over the years, and they've made the process more streamlined. But if you want someone to handle the details and make sure everything's done right, Tailor Brands is honestly a great option. They understand New Jersey's requirements, provide registered agent services if needed, and include business building tools that help you look professional from day one. Look, the most important thing is just getting started. I've seen too many people in New Jersey put off forming their LLC because they think it's going to be complicated or they're worried about the cost. And then when they finally do it, they realize it wasn't that bad and wish they had done it sooner. So here's my challenge for you. If you've been thinking about starting an LLC and you want to take advantage of New Jersey's strategic location and access to major markets, stop overthinking it. New Jersey gives you incredible positioning for business growth, and the formation process is really manageable. If you found this helpful, definitely give a thumbs up so other entrepreneurs can find this info too, and subscribe to Biz Builders for more practical business tips that actually make sense. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about New Jersey LLCs or business formation in general. I read every single comment and I'm always here to help. And remember, if you want to get your New Jersey LLC started with professional help and exclusive savings, use our special discount link for Tailor Brands in the description or pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and here's to building your business the smart way with proper legal protection from day one. See you in the next video.